The language of the country is the soul language of the island. It's the sound of the island, the music of the island. So the language and the cadences of it, they reflect the ocean and the wind and the trees, and it brings the island into reality. My name is Christa McCartney, and I'm the choral director of Corraghyn and Aile, and I'm a recipient of the grant of the Year of the Manx Language. Corraghyn and Aile were set up as part of the Evolden spectacular that's done on the beach at Evolden in Peel every year, and we wanted to create original music. We bonded as a group and we decided we would like to continue singing throughout the year and learn songs for new festivals and just to grow as a group. What we are trying to do is draw in, it sounds very arty-farty, but the essence of the Isle of Man. The point is to create an atmosphere and to create a feeling, to bring the community more into the spirit of nature and the spirit of the tradition. It's all about connection, and if you are repeating something, it's meditative. So it's a meditation on the situation where you're in, and it's healing if you're singing, and it's healing if you're listening, and it does make you feel much more connected. The grant is to allow us to produce 3 songs or 3 chants, 3 simple things for Evolden, for Ihauna and for Leilbhríse. So Evolden's the one that is already well established as a festival, and that's about the summer beginning, and so it's between winter and summer winds, and it's a celebration of the longer days and just a bit of joy and a bit of fun. And that contrasts beautifully with Ihauna. So after all of that madness and mayhem, everybody needs time to rest. You know, warm fire, good book. We need the winter. So now is the time. We've got longer hours. We can think things through. We can create and make. And then Leilbhríse is actually the one I'm most excited about, because it's quite a problematic time, because this is when the year is really going to work or not work. So you've got to get it right, and there's quite a big superstition that about, you know, a bit of fear of Bríse, as well as you want to invite her and make sure everything's right, but if you get it wrong, it might be wrong. So there's a bit of special magic, I think, in Leilbhríse. So I'm looking forward to writing those. I'll be writing the music, and Bob Carswell will be writing the words. So we're hoping, you know, that it will be more than just the words and the music and the singers. So we want to work with artists to create a booklet that we can share, so that other choirs and maybe schools and things could do it, and it will be a beautiful thing. It will be a work of art. And then if we can share those connections through the words and the music with more people and make it more available to people, then we can bring more people into commune or community with the island and its traditions and its culture.